Get your cameras, all of you.
Ganyan o.
Ay kapag ka in-stream mo kasi hindi na ako. Patayo kasi ako mas gusto ko yung patayo.
Okay na, pero ipatagil talikod mo.
Give you a nice smile. Just put your camera on.
Look at that. That's really beautiful, right? Country road. Ay, what? Lin, may nanawagman ka. Paano si Remus? It's Remus' fault. Madadangugman sa
Ask the car
video.
before me, not me. If he's stopping, I need.
Pero ang dami namang nag-stop doon sa taas o.
If he's braking, I need to brake too.
Honey, can we stop for Yes, over there. And just message
Ayun o,
Sarah.
sa taas.
If there's a parker, then yes, I will.
I think we
Mayroon sa taas.
Oh, Scarborough. Oh my God, ang nakikita ko mukha ni Remus.
Scarborough.
ang laki ng mukha ni Remus sa video ko.
I know. You need to be patient.
Hoy, Lynn,
Yes?
your dreams come true. Na?
Why?
Raining na. Yay!
Ayun, tingnan mo o. Pumasok sila doon, nagsitigil.
Dadan tayo to Remus.
Uy, tell Gemmas then.
No, you don't have to. They're late.
No, they're late 5 minutes. So
We're just staying for minutes, yeah.
Ship on road.
Picture.
There's ships here. So
oh,
we,
and there's an
Oh, and there's an ice cream.
Buhay ang breakfast ni Remus, ice
Uy,
cream.
look at that, oh. Ay,
Uy,
buto.
wow.
Ay, ang ganda doon. Ay.
Honey, because you go so the
Ay, buto.
Uy, you're gonna break your car.
Ito yata yung tren na ginamitan ng ano? Yung charcoal.
Oo. Locomotive ang tawag, diba?
Saan papunta re?
Sa atin.
Oh? Makasakay kaya ng ganyan, masubukan.
Experience.
Ha?
Talagang udang ugali. Talagang ugali. Talagang balandras. Siya hawak yun. Sorry lang. Come to think, nawayo na si aeroplano.
Ang ganda dito eh. Lawak ka, no?
Tayo na. 5 minutes na sasabihin ni Gemma, walang iya kayo. Sabi nyo, nauna kayo. Okay. Then sige, para-paraan. Kanya-kanyang para-paraan.
Ay, para-paraan. Reko!
Sabi siguro, mga siraulo talaga mga Pilipinang to.
Oh, there's a parking here.
there you go. There's a parking here.
There's a parking here. Maybe they're here.
Ang ganda naman
600 feet, your destination will be on the right.
this point.
Ito yung
Yeah,
parking.
we cannot go anymore. So that's the parking. That's
So it's until here.
Uy, ang ganda.
how we're gonna find
We're gonna,
the
at the end right there.
one. Look between
Oh,
those
that,
two.
no, the red one.
Can anyone call Gemma now?
Nandito na ba sila? Nakita mo na yung car?
No, didn't see the car yet. Maybe they dropped somewhere. They dropped by.
Okay, send her a live location now.
Somebody send message.
Send her a live location. I will send her. I will send her. I will send her a live.
Nagano ako sa kanya na...
Nag-message ka na, no?
Don't worry, because I will send her a
Wala
live
naman akong
location.
sinabi, pero nagano ako sa kanya.
Ang location.
It's okay. I'm gonna send her a location.
Location.
Are you gonna send honey?
Yeah.
Share location.
Signal.
Ang ganda.
50 minutes.
Eh, ang ganda ng waterfalls nila doon. Titingnan natin, te. Yung mama. Ayan. Medyo malaki nga siya. Ayan o. Pababa na. Ayan, naligo sila doon. Ay, grabe. Amazing kayo eh. Ganda niyo. Parang ano, nasa ano lang ako. Sa bukid nung kapanahonan ni ano. Nung ako'y kabatse.